All right, the first thing that you do is you turn your gas valve perpendicular to the line to turn it off. What I mean by that, it's at a 90-degree angle to that valve line. To pull this line off the stove, you're going to need two wrenches, at least a 12 and a 10-inch. You may need a pipe wrench. In this case, we had to grab a pipe wrench. You'll see in a second. And it's on there. It's been on there for 20 years, so it's a little tough. And you can see with his left hand, you're pushing down as you hold the other hand. And now basically we just got to unscrew that line. Now, when you do that, you're probably going to smell some gas because there will be some residual in that line. Don't be afraid. But we're going to check it by pouring some sudsy water on the joint down there, or the valve, just to make sure. And once we've got the line taken off the old stove, we go ahead and just get it out of the way so that we've got room to work down there. Because we did smell that gas smell, we want to double check the valve down there. We're going to spray all around on all of the joints and just look to see if we've got any kind of leak anywhere, because that's the last thing you want with gas. You could have a bad valve and then you got to replace the whole thing. So we're looking here and we're really not seeing anything. This gas line has been on there for over 20 years, so it's really stuck. And this is a compression valve. So what we've got to do is lock the one collar that goes to the valve itself, and then we're going to really have to use some strength with that wrench to get that nut loose. And as you can see, we finally did. And you got to be careful here, because if you break any of those seals in there, you could get a leak of the gas, and then you got to turn off the gas to the house until you get that fixed, which is, another big problem. And so luckily we got this one off of there. And that's how you remove the gas line from the gas valve. And now we're ready to go ahead and install our new stove and put our new gas line on. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff like this that I've never done.